I'm Shraddha.
And I'm Karan.
Hey Karan, you look a little different today. Much prettier, I must say. Seriously. Well, so since you guys now know who we are, truly.
Let's tell you why we're here.
Yeah, and we're here because a long, long time ago, we made a little promise to you. We promised you that if you promise to keep loving us, we promise to keep entertaining you. And since you've,
lived up to your part of the deal.
Exactly.
It's time that we live up to our part of the deal.
Exactly.
Cool.
And to do that effectively, we need a little bit of your help. So we need to know what you guys really like or don't like, or
mostly like, though.
Mostly like, or don't like at all, or would want to like, or would want us to do, or say, or
be? No.
No, be.
Okay, no, sorry. Okay.
I'm always going to be Shraddha, so let's not go there.
Why we decided to blog, and especially first let me tell you why we decided to blog with India Forums.
Because India Forums is like our second home.
True. And well, if we are obviously coming out with our e-home, then it has to be on India Forums. What say?
Exactly. And this is also a chance for us to connect to you as us, not as characters we play and not as things we do, but as people.
Yeah, seriously, I'd love to. I mean, I sit on India Forums many times, and I hear you guys say the most
many times is an understatement. She sits on it a lot. Like, I'm telling you, India Forums get so much of my time.
No, seriously, guys, you just say the most beautiful, wonderful things, and
so do I.
Yeah, he does too. You say the best things, really.
I say beautiful things.
And I just wanted to be, this was for us to come out there and say, yes, we are here for you. We hear you, we love you, and we really want to hear more from you, actually. So.
Yeah, we listen to you. See, I cut my hair. It's true. You said cut your hair, I cut my hair. Just don't say shave your head, because that would be a little difficult.
Yeah, please don't do that. That'll get tough on me.
Yeah.
Our blog space will be called our e-home.
And all you guys coming in are our homies.
Hey, homie.
What's up, homies?
So, take a tour through our e-home. There are very interesting things there. It's like a home. It is home for us. It's our home, so we are there. Needless to say that we'll come there many times, but we are there. So, we're going to check on our blogs regularly. Yes, Karan is going to find the time to blog. So in our e-home, you'll find places like the library, where I read a lot of books and love watching movies. And Karan loves watching movies.
Yeah.
So, we'll review our favorite books and movies, and we'll put them out there. So that's going to be called our library.
Get to the next one.
Playroom.
The playroom. Okay, see, now that's the interesting room. Okay. I'm into gaming. I play a lot of PS2 and PS3 and Xbox.
He made me play it once. It's nice. It's nice.
It is really nice. So I'm going to be talking about all the new games that I get and play, which I don't have time for. I do. So, no, I don't have time for. But whenever I do get time and I'm checking the games out, I'm going to tell you what I think about them. So if you haven't tried them, you could try them. And what you could do is, give me some suggestions. If you like some games, let me know. I'll go check it out.
Well, the playroom's also going to be about me. So there's going to be a lot of fun stuff. It's also going to be about
there will be games with flowers in them.
No, I don't
magic
games
mushrooms.
With flowers. But we'll do a lot of... Okay, that's a secret now. What we're going to do...
I'm going to turn you into a frog.
No!
Yeah. Interesting.
No, we really... It's the playroom, okay, the rest of it I'm going to keep a secret. The playroom's going to have a lot of... I think even Karan doesn't know, but we're planning a lot of interesting things.
Like what?
Like, you will soon be surprised. So, and so will you. So, homies, have fun. Go to the playroom, and it's a place that you go and have fun. And so do we.
Talk to me.
Our e-home has, it has a kitchen, which is what's cooking in terms of our news, media, latest interviews, etc. So you can go and
the new work that we're doing, or we're going to do, or what we're going to be a part of, and what we shouldn't be a part of, stuff like that.
There's also the storeroom, which is archives, where we're going to stock. So all the stocks go there. That's the stock. So we call it the storeroom.
Yeah, it'll include everything from history to to what we've done, to how we've been and what we've come through in life and what we've
And
learned
of course,
from it.
all the blogs, so that's the storeroom.
And then we have the den, which will have all our photographs and our wallpapers.
Downloads
and
for you guys.
Yeah, goodies, basically, that you guys can use. Yeah.
There's also obviously the living room, which is the main page that will have blog entries. We decided to call it the living room.
Yeah, because it's comfortable. It's part of daily life.
Like seriously, be comfortable, and we just wanted to introduce a space where largely we feel comfortable and you feel comfortable. You can
Feel at
come,
home.
like,
Seriously.
hang there and do your
Spread
stuff.
out, put your legs up, have fun.
And say what you want to say.
And there's a little other room that.
Hey, there's a bathroom.
Yeah, the bathroom.
There is a bathroom.
And if you're really bad and you say mean things about us and stuff like, that you shouldn't be saying about people, then we're gonna lock you into the bathroom. That's what my dad used to do to me.
Really?
Sometimes, before I broke the door. But still, we will lock you in the loop, and you're gonna wait there for some time till you're all cleaned up and get rid of all your bacteria and fungus, and then we're gonna get you out, and then you can go to the playroom and have fun.
We also need constant feedback because it's all nice. We hear stuff from our families, our friends. We hear stuff from I see the India forums a lot. So it's nice to get some feedback because we're constantly trying to improve ourselves. I think Karan as an actor,
Just want to be
as people, we just want
better
to
us
be
every day.
Yeah, that's Karan's line. He just, what do you say?
Just want to be a better me every day.
Yeah, so we're looking forward for inputs to help us get there. So please feel free to give your suggestions. They're very valued. In our e-home, there's also a very, very special area, which we call the treasure chest. And from that treasure chest, we'll pop out juicy secrets about each other.
Yep.
And we're going to spill things about ourselves and our daily lives, which I bet you'd love to know. Okay, like one of the things in the treasure chest that I will be talking about, KG, is... I call him KG, but I also call him CK. I call him CK.
It's because I wear Calvin Klein.
No, it's got nothing to do with Calvin Klein, and you know that. So that secret of yours is coming out very soon. Why I call you CK, and you might think about it also. Just give it a shot. What does CK mean?
And another thing to think about is why I call her HQ.
No, stop it.
Yeah.
Oh no,
HQ.
that's not fair.
It's not headquarters.
It's healthy. Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, okay. It is headquarters.
It's headquarters also.
Yeah, he reports to me. Come on.
Like all husbands, man. You can't run away from it. You can be all manly and everything and macho, but when your wife's upset, you're just a tiny little rat. It's not headquarters, it's something else. So
it's also headquarters, but it's also something else.
You'll find out.
Yeah, you have to watch the treasure chest to find that out.
Yeah.
Before we go, we would like to say something. Karan, what do you think about being called Kradha? Do you enjoy it very much, sir?
Not really. It feels like an insect. Yeah. It's just, yeah. I don't like the sound of it. I don't know. Why don't you guys come up with another name?
If you could, I don't know, come up with something more innovative, interesting, creative, please put that up there, and we're going to select the best entry, the name that we really like, and if we really like it, well, obviously you're in for something, and we will end up using it. So really think.
Yeah, like we'll use it all the time.
Yeah, if we really like it.
Yeah.
Something else?
No, I'm done saying.
Do you think I spoke more than you?
Of course you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you do.
No, I didn't.
Come on, we'll just show everyone that you're the talkative one.
Kiji, stop it.
And I do my 2 bits of sense. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, what
so you go
but That's nonsense.
And then I do my 2 bits of sense. And then you go but. She's so musical. And she's so musical. Like KG na. And then go, yeah, I'm the cool guy.
Yeah,
and then she goes, but.
What sense did you speak? You spoke about the playroom.
Yeah, that's sensible stuff.
And you spoke 4 hours about the bloody PlayStation games.
That's fun.
Waste of time.
And what do you talk about? Kitchen. What's cooking?
Yeah. Who'll give you food if I don't go to the kitchen?
Sushila?
You're mean, dude. You're so mean.
She's right there. She cooks for us.
Listen, seriously, I didn't speak more than you, did I?
No, of course not.
Fine, I'll be fair to you.
You didn't speak more than me.
Do you want to speak something?
No.
You're being mean.
No, I'm not.
You want to say something?
Nope.
I promise I'm not speaking.
I love you.
Me too.
I love you more every day.
Me too. Stop it.
Okay, bye.
Okay, I'm getting really shy. Go. Bye bye. I'll see you on the page. Right?
Yeah, I'll see you guys.
At home. Bye bye.
Yeah, no, she just talks a lot, man. We'll have a heart. I'm done. See ya. See ya. Bye bye.